This video will guide you through setting up the panel key functions and changing the key light colors. As you can see, the panel key light isn't working. Let's fix that. First, open the Settings app and go to Factory Setting. Enter the password 123456. Now, locate and open the Touch Area Key option. Click on the Start key, select the desired key function, then press the corresponding panel key to pair it. Once the pairing is successful, the panel key should work properly. Now, let's move on to changing the panel key light color. Open the Color app, and you'll be able to customize the color as you like.